Hi, Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty. Welcome to the May Canmore real estate market update. We are through the 5th month of the year already, if you can believe that. We had a solid sales month in May. We had 65 sales, just up from the 60 sales we had in April. So another solid month for sales in the Canmore real estate market. The average list price for those 65 sales was $1,029,000. The average sale price was $1,033,000. So just selling still for most properties selling just over list price still. We are seeing the market calm down a bit, and we'll get into that in just a few minutes. But again, solid month for sales, 65 sales. Average days on market is definitely up. It took 37 days on the market to sell in May, and I think in April it was closer to 17 to 20 days. So things sitting on the market a little bit longer, but still selling fairly quickly. So how do those 65 sales break down? Well, we had 10 single family home sales. The average sale price for single family homes in May was a whopping $2,030,000. That's about just under $700 a square foot, and they were selling fairly quickly. They sold in about 15 days. So single family homes, still a hot market in Canmore. Half duplexes, we had some solid sales in half duplexes. We had 6 sales. They averaged $1.679 million, taking about 48 days to sell. So half duplexes taking a little bit longer. Townhomes, we had 17 sales at about an average of $905,000 for sale and 16 days on the market. Apartments, we had 13 sales. They sold at an average of $545,000 and they were taking 74 days. So again, a little bit longer to sell apartments in Canmore this last month. Hotel condos, we had 11 sales. The average sale price was $656,000. They were taking 40 days. We've certainly seen that market slow down a little bit over the last 6 weeks or so. Tourist homes, we had 7 sales at an average of $825,000. They were taking 24 days to sell. So average price point in May was up about 8% over April, and it was up 17% over May of 2021. So we're still seeing some fairly substantial price increases year over year. As we move into June, we currently have 136 listings on the market, so our listings are continuing to climb, which is great. We're still trying to get back to that 250-ish listings on the market for a balanced market, so we're still pretty deep into a seller's market with 136 listings, but it's way better than that 40 that we saw in February. Going into June, we've had 11 confirmed sales and 22 conditional sales, so June should still be another solid month for sales in Canmore. So what's happening with the market? Well, as I said previously, it does feel like we're transitioning a little bit. We're still seeing good buyer demand, but we're not seeing as many multiple offers, certainly on properties as we were, and we are starting to see properties sit a little bit longer, and we're also starting to see some price reductions on properties, which we haven't seen in about 2 years. So we can see that the market's transitioning a little bit. The interest rate hike again in this last week, we saw another 0.5 basis point interest hike on mortgage rates. So I think that's certainly having some effect. 5-year fixed rates at about 4.6% right now. The variable rate is still fairly good. It's at 2.6%. So what does that mean? We had a good chat with a mortgage broker that came into our office meeting over the last week, and an average mortgage amount of $450,000. If you took a variable rate over the current 5-year fixed rate, you'd be saving about $650 a month in a monthly payment. So there's a big spread right now between variable and fixed rate mortgages. If you are in the market for buying, it's definitely worth speaking to a mortgage broker professional about what might be the best option for you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Canmore real estate market, if you would like a free home evaluation to see what your home's worth this month, please reach out to me. My number is 403-688-7629, or you can get me at richard@alpinerealty.ca. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.